Welcome to my math class. I am Mohammad Ali, online maths teacher. Today we will solve one question from Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 4 Extended 0580 Variant 42 February March 2023. Question number 9. Fx equals to x cube minus 3x square minus 4. Find the gradient of the graph of y equals to fx where x equals to 1. So we should find out the gradient of this curve at the point where x equals to 1. So differentiation, we have to do the differentiation. I just write down the differentiation formula like y equals to x over n. If you want to differentiate these things, you will write dy by dx equals to n x over n minus 1. This is the formula for differentiation. So if we differentiate fx, we have to write here f prime x equals to d by dx x cube minus 3x square minus 4. So separately we have to differentiate. X cube differentiate is 3x, 3 minus 1, minus 3 is constant. X square differentiate is 2x, 2 minus 1. When you differentiate constant, it will be 0. So we'll get 3x square minus 6x. So this is f prime x. We want to find out the numerical value of this gradient when x equals to 1. So right here, f prime x equals to 1. We have to put here 1 square minus 6 into 1. So 3 minus 6, it will be minus 3. So at x equals to 1, the gradient of the graph is minus 3. Now, find the coordinates of the turning points of the graph of y equals to fx. So turning points means where the gradient equals to 0. Turning points means where the gradient or dy by dx equals to 0. So for turning points, f prime x equals to 0. So f prime x equals to get 3x square minus 6x equals to 0. Take common 3x, we'll get here x minus 2 equals to 0. Therefore, we'll get 3x equals to 0, that means x equals to 0, or x minus 2 equals to 0, so x equals to 2. Now we want to find out the y value. When x equals to 0, f0, that means 0 cube minus 3, 0 square minus 4, that means minus 4. And when x equals to 2, f2, that is in function, you have to put instead of x the value of 2. So 2 cube minus 3, 2 square minus 4. It will be 8 minus 3 multiply 4 minus 4. After subtraction, we get minus 8 here. So turning points are 0 and minus 4. And here 2 and minus 8. So right here 0, minus 4, 2, minus 8. These are the two turning points. Now, sketch the graph of y equals to fx. Okay. One thing we have to remember, x cube curve and y cube curve. X cube curve, y equals to like x cube curve pattern will be like this. And y equals to minus x cube curve pattern will be like this. So we have two turning points. That means in these turning points, we'll get the maximum point or minimum point. So one turning points is 0 minus 4. 0 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. This is one turning point. And another turning point is 1, 2, 2 minus 8. This is minus 4, 5, minus 6, 7, 8. So this is minus 8. So this is one turning point. Then that one is another turning point. And as the curve is y equals to x cube, the curve pattern will be like this. So we will sketch this curve. Here one are turning points. Here is another turning points. These are the two turning points where the gradient is 0. This is one turning point, 2 minus 8. That one is another turning point, 0 minus 4. And both of these point, coordinate stationary point, here the gradient is equals to 0. So this is the sketch of this curve y equals to fx. This is y equals to fx. So I think everybody understands this means this is very simple. You just know how to find out the differentiation and how to sketch this y equals to x cube. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you all.